bit of to say thank you to someone. It's a what not plain. Ayaneya. A name Nima Sanya no need a kanye. Obi America Crampa. One in the Casas and Nipan yet eti. So is President Mahama going to tell us that anytime he has a meeting with any government official, anytime he has a meeting or maybe a business meeting with any agency into Obefa private jet akwana. And they say no mind any idea obetremu. Because as a president, you are going to have numerous meetings, both internal and external. And then a European Union sometimes when they have conference, they don't even go physically. They stay in their countries. No one can headphone. They have their either Zoom teams. We have a lot of platforms, and then they have their meetings. And he said, if even thank you, let's even assume that the private jet was not even paid for. Let's even assume that the private jet was not even paid for. And you know, on one you are there, money. Sabita Frache, Yanyankola. The voice, Obeje Meka. Say, what do you call baby? Obeto you a goon. Oba, Ayadaya Sabi, if we went here, you will pay for those damages. Baby, other country.
Even and servicing. You know, you need to service the flight in and out.
Yeah. If we
you need to pay for it.
You have to pay. So if saying thank you to someone as a president, as a president, as a president, as a president, I will buy and will say, Nanado, you can't say, you small self of Kosho Bron, some brand, no, she and Nanado assign, or one of some on Yankopon, a born no dear bagana. Why you say your minor, Sabi, and Kokona so obey and compensate out by a crampon, or say and Kokoni Nanado, a Kumo now, soon, Suman oh, Banty, walk on air muscle. Anka wodia wo ye onyankopon wo na wo bo osoro ne asase wo na wo bo me kwata wo bo obi na anka wo dwen ye ho you still have the money to spend enye a good thing na near me can say the president should know that Tesia baby e wiase na akodun ewiase no obi adem just minya sure say Jubilee House one MTN network anyhow they don't even pay for internet minya sure say Tigo network anyhow or they don't even have laptops or computers so whenever he has a meeting or there is another thank you talk Mr. Reno, or making good use of the media or the platform you want for communication. And then you want 3D TV, 3D networker. So uni ni pane kasa. We kwampa me no ye
Kufuado didn't carry him to the Jubilee House to give him the money, the asset of the nation to manage. So he's spewing ill talk on the NPP who made him. And it's not his fault. And we're not going to waste our energy, our time on such a useless man who feeds with pigs. Look, we are ready and prepared for such people. If NDC couldn't advise Captain Smart, Kevin Taylor and the likes on Henry David and those people, then this time we are also more than prepared for them. We are prepared to face them with all the energies, with all the powers that we have. So if they could insult people like distinguished person like President Kufuor, then some of us are ready and prepared for them. Such an idiot man or Hinebua who will sit on his radio to insult Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. We are ready for such guys. Look at the mess President Mahama is leading the people of Ghana into. Everything he promised is now turning the opposite. Is he not now singing a different song on the LGBTQ? That we should rather educate our children? What has changed? Sam George, what has changed? Can't you now speak again? Aren't you ready to sign the bill again? What has changed? You told the whole world Akufo-Addo and his people are gay. That's why they don't want to do it. Now you guys are the saints. Go ahead and sign, and it has become a different story. What has changed? We are asking them. Now President Mahama is using a private jet. What has changed? When they were telling Ghanaians that Akufo-Addo bows in the air. So what has changed that President Mahama is now using a private jet? And for you to hear that is owned by his brother. Nonsense. Don't we pay for fuel and all the lights? Is it for free? What has changed? Now, Jinapo travels with a private jet to attend energy meetings. What has changed? Look at people who have been put in positions to mind our ministerial positions. Honorable Haruna Idrisu is a fantastic guy, but not for education. Someone who couldn't even say digitization. That man cannot lead education. Look at the effort put down by Honorable Aduchum, Dr. Aduchum. These guys are going to mess things up there. Look, in 2016, when Mahama had the opportunity to rule the nation, what did we see? He subjected us into 4 solid years of doing so. We were queuing to buy fuel. There was this automatic fuel adjustment. Every month they will increase the price of fuel. And even that, to get, you have to queue. But Ghanaians never complain. Akufo-Addo came, relieved us from the crisis of doing so, and we enjoyed a stable power for 8 years. Yet Ghanaians said no. Look, President Mahama, when NDC was complaining the dollar is high, under Mahama, which the dollar was 4 cedis, he cancelled the teacher and nursing trainee allowance. He couldn't implement free SHS. He couldn't he constructed just 3,000 kilometers of roads. We came when the dollar was high, we constructed over 13 kilometers of roads. We purchased or procured over 310 ambulances. We've done and completed over 8 interchanges.